Today's video, going to be replacing the thermostat on the Silverado. So I added a hose to the petcock down there. So we're going to go ahead and drain the coolant from the radiator. So we'll go ahead and let that drain. We're going to take out this intake, 8mm. $10mm. Alright, here's a new one and the old one. And we can go ahead and install the new one. We're going to go ahead and line up our little tab on the gasket with the slot in the thermostat housing. Once it's in the slot, we'll go ahead and install it. $11 foot-pounds. Alright, got our coolant in. Put the heat on high so we can bleed the heater core, and we just gotta watch for temp. And you can see we're getting heat out of the engine. After driving around for 15-20 minutes, temp is holding, so we know we're good to go. And that's how you replace the thermostat on these Silverados. Hopefully this video helps y'all. Y'all have a good one.